Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this massive solar light that this brand sent me for this video review. And actually, this is a commercial solar light, but it can be used at home as well. How do I know that? Because actually, this brand has been sending me a few of these solar lights. It's actually the 5th time that I'm working with them, and I've been installing them. I have 2 on my neighbor's house and the other one on my neighbor's house as well. And I'm gonna install this one today at my house. But the good thing about this one is that it's recommended to use it in like a pole, but you can install them in your fence, in your walls, and many other places because it comes with all the necessary instructions and materials you need for the installation. So we're gonna put this baby to charge outside, and I'm gonna run the installation as well as to show you how it looks at night outside. But the bottom line is that these are great. It covers an area up to 2,100 square feet. It's a 7,000 Kelvin temperature solar light, and the power is 1,200 watts. So that's insane. And as you can see, these are massive. As you can see, this is a really big light, and the area that actually covers is pretty wide. As you can see, it has like a wide area of coverage because this is in a pole. It's put in a pole right now, and you can see that it actually has a pretty wide area of light. And the other thing is that having the remote control, you can do many things. Like you can actually dim the light, so it's dimmed right now, and you can do other things like setting the timer. You have up to 3, 5, and 8 hours of a timer, and you can say the auto mode is the one that I actually use. But the best thing is leaving it in auto, since that will actually be super good for a place like this, like a driveway. Because let's say that you're driving this way and you're coming to your actual garage, so that will actually light on with the motion sensor as soon as you're parking, and then it will stay on in maximum bright for a few seconds, and then it will auto shut down or auto dim the light, so it's not like super bright the whole night. You can actually set up that way if you want, but you can actually set it in auto mode and it will auto dim and auto shut off. And this is how the motion sensor works. So I'm gonna start walking to the light right now. As you can see, I just move and it turned on. So that's how powerful the motion sensor is in this type of lights. So I'm super far now, and I'm gonna try it back again. I start moving, and as soon as I start moving, it just turned on back again. This is a magnificent and fantastic light. I decided to put it in home because it's the place that I have to try it out, and I'm really satisfied with it. It's a big light, it's pretty wide, it offers a widespread area of light and coverage. So really happy with it. I do like it, and I do recommend. This is my thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.